preparing for a trip in the Model Y standard range, and wanted to show some things we're doing to be prepared for that trip. One of those is maximizing your storage space. So a lot of people think that you don't have room for storage, or that this particular area of your Y is can be used for a lot of storage. But here I am using the very shallow storage space, the second one, just in front of the trunk well. And we got a first aid kit, we got the Tesla pucks, we have the Tesla SuperCharger and the Tesla flat tire fixer and air pump, along with some Velcro strips and a blanket. And there's still space to put some additional things. This is actually a shallow space. In some places it's maybe only 3 inches tall. Other places probably going down to maybe 4 or 5. But it actually turns out you can fit quite a bit in there for your trip. And that's space that you can use for cargo storage, and it stays out of the way. It simply goes back to being a shelf. Now you can put your suitcases on it. Alright, here's some other items I'm adding to storage for the trip. They're all related to supercharging. We're going to take some windshield cleaner fluid, because unlike a gas station, you don't have that available to clean your windshield on the road. And going through several states, we're going to probably have some bugs. So we can use that to refill if we need to. I have some water and soap solution. It's baby shampoo along with some distilled water in a spray bottle. I can use that on the windshield as well. I'll go in. Then we have some invisible glass in case the water solution with baby shampoo is not enough to clean the bugs off. And also at the SuperCharger station, I have some quick detailer to clean the front end of the car to get bugs and other grime off if I need to. And with that, I have a microfiber cloth along with an old t-shirt. And then for the hotels or level 2 charging with J1772s, I have a lock to put on the Tesla adapter. Then also I have a ring to hold the Tesla to J1772 adapter, and that'll be going along. I usually put my adapter in there and place it in the back of the car so I know where it's at all times. And that way, if it's in there, I know I'm good to go. If it's an empty ring, I know I need to find my adapter before I leave. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it interesting and informative, please hit subscribe and the notification bell below. Also, share our channel and videos with others. Also consider joining our Facebook page by scanning the QR code below. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you can do by scanning the QR code below as well. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed our content.